Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. It is Sunday, May the 31st. I'm excited. We have a great week of cheap P&G, cheap everything, freebies. I mean, every single angle. This is a fantastic week over at Walgreens. We are in store specifically for this video with 2 curbside matchups at the very end. If that's your speed, scroll to the end. I have a really good paper and Tide deal for you, including $3 Tide. Amazing. Guys, could do me a huge favor before we even dive to the deals, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, or if you have the hype button, if you want to press it, I would be so grateful. And as I said just a couple seconds earlier, this specific one, I recommend you do it curbside so you can use a little discount code with. And then if the machine isn't printing, you're not going to be like, where's my register reward? Do make it where some stores have it tagged, some stores don't. This way, you're going to get your $15 back when you spend $45. And we have a very $3 Tide Big Mamas. I mean, do I have your attention? Okay, let's get right into this. Remember, we are in store. The first little offer, this is sadly not part of the spend 45 to earn back 15, but it is this Febreze plug. It's $3.50 this week, and we have a $3.50 coupon, making it completely free, 1 per store card. So definitely get this guy if this is your favorite thing. Believe this deal is in larger markets only. There is either a 3 or 4 count of the Kotex bamboo liners. That is a sample size. They are $2.49 on a buy one, get one 50% off. And why this is so great is IBOTTA has $2 back with a limit of up to 5 times. So it's going to make 5 boxes of those liners completely free. Remember, it's the smaller 3 to 4 count. You're going to find them on an end cap or their own display for summer. So grabbing 5 of them on a BOGO 50% off, that's $9.95. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $10 back, making it free. I would do this deal ASAP because with IBOTTA, if they have 20,000 of these units, they go pretty quickly. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Thank you to Rolling Coupon Moms over on Instagram for this deal. She was talking about it yesterday. She had a lot of success, and I've seen a lot of people have a lot of success. If you live in a smaller market, maybe they don't have this display up just yet, but keep an eye on it. And my understanding is that these smaller 3 to 4 counts are also at Meijer grocery stores if you are in the Midwest. Garnier Fructis is the best deal, and the stylers are even better because they're a little bit cheaper than the shampoo. So we're going to be grabbing 2 of them for this deal, and they're $5.99, and we have a 4 off of 2 coupon, and you're going to get back a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of them. So putting 2 of these into your shopping cart, that'll be $11.98. Subtracting the coupon, $7.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per styler. That includes like a gel or a mousse. If you're going to go the shampoo route, I think they're $6.29 per this week. Kind of expensive. So it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but yeah, not a bad little deal. Now we're going to talk about 2 different Kenvu deals, and it's to spend $20 to earn back a $10 register reward. And the best way to do this, these are BOGO 50% off, is to get a more expensive Listerine and then buy a cheaper one for $5.99. So 2 expensives and then 1 cheaper one. And we have $1 coming off and a $2 coming off, and it's part of the spend 20 to earn back 10. If you're going to do this curbside, for the balance, you have to pay with your debit card. If you're doing it in store, you can use Walgreens cash for the balance, and still the register reward will print for you. And this is what your digital coupons look for. So you're going to grab one for $10.99 and then the one for $5.99 at 50% off. These coupons will come off, and then you'll buy it just a smaller, cheapy one for $4.99 to get you to that $20 threshold. Triple check that your Fetch rewards might have this to spend $13 on Listerine to get back 1,100 points. So that's nothing to sneeze at or to roll your eyes at. It's not bad. So grabbing 2 of the large and 1 of the smalls, it's $20.97. We have a $2 and a $1 digital melting off. You'll pay $17.97. Get back a $10 register reward, 1,100 points back from Fetch, making it $6.87 for the 3 or $2.29 per Listerine. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster in store. If you're doing this deal curbside, you have to pay the balance with your debit or credit card. That is not negotiable. Also, part of the Kenvu family is the Neutrogena wipes. This morning we got a 4 off of 2. The promotion is in store that when you buy 2, you get 1 free, plus you get a free cosmetic bag. If your store has this display, which is on an end cap, or it might be in the beauty section, if they're out of bags, you're out of luck. But if they still have bags there, then you are in luck. And then just to show you, this is the promotion to spend 20 to earn back 10. If you were going to do this in Listerine, 2 separate transactions, or the register reward will only print 1 time for you. And this is your digital coupon that you're going to load, which is a 4 off of 2 off of the wipes. Pick up 4 of those Neutrogena makeup wipes at $7.49. Remember, you're getting 1 of them for free. Plus, you're also going to grab a makeup bag that'll ring up completely for free. Have that digital coupon loaded. You will pay $18.47. Get back a $10 register reward, making it $8.47 for the 5, or $1.69 per bag. That is a stock-up price. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you are doing this deal in store, curbside, you will have to pay with your debit or credit card. And then the $10 register reward that's printing is a store coupon. So if you were going to stack it with the P&G deal this week, you would actually be spending $35 with that $10 register reward. Because it's a store coupon, you basically have to treat it like Walgreens cash. So just be super smart about that. It's not like a regular register reward. That is essentially, when you see store coupon at the top, it's like spending Walgreens cash. Okay, I was very, very pleasantly surprised that the toothpaste coupon came back for this promotion. The 6 off of 2. I used all of mine last week and it popped up again. Sorry guys, I can't show you the visuals because it, for whatever reason, isn't showing up in my coupon folder. It happens. But this is a 6 off of 2. Very basic deal. Grabbing 2 of the fancy toothpaste. Toothpaste only, not the brushes where the coupon reappeared. It's 12. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per fancy toothpaste. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal. Okay, now we're going to get into the curbside pickups, which means you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and you're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check. This is, in fact, the best paper deal of the week. On the left-hand side, that $1.50 off of 1, you are going to load that. Now, this is a really weird one because it's not just on the paper products, it's on an assortment of Walgreens branded products that include cups, plates, all these other items. You can see if you just tap it and then you look below it, all these items will be itemized, bathroom cups, blah, blah, everything. So into a cart, because I'm not very imaginative, I'm putting in 4 of these paper towels, very similar to Sparkle, and a lot of you really prefer this over the Scott's. That's $20, and you can see that coupon doubled to 6 off of 4, which is fantastic. So using the code senior20, because these are full priced items, I can use it. So I'm saving an additional 20% on this with that $1.50 blooming to 6 off. So that is not bad. The overall total for my basket, as you can see, is $20. And then we have an additional $8.80 melting off right there. 92 cents of tax for me. So I'm paying $12.12. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $2.12, and that is a superb price for 4 paper towels. I mean, it's just a great deal. Final deal that I have prepared for you is a $45 basket curbside again, because we can use the little discount codes and it's just a little bit easier to control things than to do this in store sometimes. We're going to save the anxiety and do it this way. And if you do not like what I'm picking up, see that spend $45 on select P&G. You just have to look up the P&G product in the app and just toss it into a cart. So if you're like, I don't like what you have, I mean, by all means, just rework it, but you need that little message. First item we're grabbing is a $12.99 Tide Pod, the 42 counter, and then a 73-ounce Tide liquid for $12.99 each. Both of these items have $3 digitals. Load them both for $6 of savings. I mean, that's just an A++. 2 of these Head and Shoulders Clinical Strength. This is a superb shampoo for $20.98 on a buy one, get one 50% off. We have a 5 off of 1 and a 3 off of 1. That's $8 of coupons. Plus you get like $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of these over on Fetch. So when you go to pick up your stuff, ask the cashier to process this through a regular register so you get a physical receipt. You'll have $20 tracking towards this. Some of you might actually get the full 7,000 points, but that's going to get you pretty close. So I would definitely ask for a receipt. And then just to show you adding a little bit more to this basket, I threw in one of these double packs of the Bounty paper towels for $5.49. And we have an additional $1 digital coupon, and it's part of that promotion. So that is not bad. So just to show you the gorgeous little chorus line curbside, $3 for the Tide, $3 for the Tide Pods, $1 for the Bounty Head and Shoulders, $8 with the 5 and the 3, and then WAG 10 taking an additional $3.74 off. So that is exactly what we're talking about to save the most amount of money for this specific deal. If you only have the one booster and not a paper and a digital, that would be more advantageous in store, but just with the digital, this is the way to do it. So $52.45 subtracting $3.74, your subtotal is at $48.71. So for the spend $45 to earn back $15, you are there. $15 in manufacturers melting off, basically not excluding the tax is $33.71, and you're getting back $18.52. So it makes it basically $15 for the 5 items, or like $3-ish per product. Remember to pay with your debit card as you're using the spend booster of spend $45 to earn back $15. But this is not a bad little deal anyway. You slice the pie for $3 for Tide, those gorgeous Head and Shoulders Clinicals, and a 2-pack of those Bounty paper towels. A superb deal. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.